after the S25 Ultra, we have arrived in the studio. There is the S25 Base and S25 Plus. Today, we are going to present its unboxing first. Before starting, let me tell you two things. One, so friends. Two, a very big thing has happened. Last time, the Base and Plus were different. In terms of chipset compatibility, there was a Snapdragon. This time, all of them have Qualcomm Snapdragon Galaxy. Yes, throughout the lineup. So this is excellent. The second thing is very important. All the Galaxy AI features you get in the Ultra will be available in this as well. The software is going to be exactly the same and 23 things. If I say it has also been upgraded, if I compare with this 24 series, I am going to explain everything. In the video, this is a very long video like the Ultra because there are many things to explain. Yes, we will definitely tell everything. By the way, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. What happened? This is wrong. Why? Not opening. To move. Let's do this. Okay. Now let's open that. By the way, it comes in 6 colors, online specific too, and there are 3 or 6 colors. I will show you all the details on the screen. If you look at the standard colors, they are muted, meaning they are not flashy, but online you get flashy colors and so on. So this is the Plus. And this is the Base, by the way. And one big update has happened. Friends, now the Base variant comes with 12 GB RAM, not with 20 GB storage. The 256 GB all Base variant plus Base Ultra is really compact. It doesn't feel too heavy. It's big, but not heavy, by the way. Let's quickly check the weight. If you ask me to guess, I would say around 67 grams. For the Base, yes, 67.7 grams. One of the lightest phones, yes. And this one is 167 grams. Let's see. Yes, 167.6 grams for sure. As the launches are happening, there was a time when there was a difference of about 10 grams in between, right? I'm guessing. Currently, it feels very nice. If I compare it to the Ultra, you get a titanium frame in that. Inside this, the armor and the support and buttons are exactly the same. There is no difference at all. It's just compact. And one important thing is that both come with USB 3.2 Gen 1. So if you want fast transfer and a compact flagship, there are very few choices. And among them, this one feels very good, especially if you want a compact device with a larger display. Then this is clearly the one. Let me tell you that the